How we doing, class, on this wet and rainy cold weekend? I hope we are enjoying ourselves in this long weekend, and I hope in honor of Martin Luther King that you don't have to work tomorrow. A couple quick things I want to be helpful with, and that's why I wanted to record a video. It's a lot easier to do this with a video as opposed to trying to explain it in an email. First, if we look over here in this content area, this is where the teams are. And it's going to pop up. Yep. Downloads. Open, please. Here we go. So, you find, here's Team A. Hopefully, Anthony, Sarah, and Christine have already chatted with each other. We have one new student. So, with one new student, that means Team C is a team of 4 instead of a team of 3. We have 16. I wanted to try to keep it as small as possible. Just to review, your team, each one of the members of your team is going to read the articles for class, and you're going to type up your takeaways and your questions. You're going to have one document that you consolidate together, and that is what you're going to upload to Blackboard. Okay, so let's look into the Blackboard area. Marketing management. So this right here, Journal Marketing Management, this is where your team will upload their one document, not each of you uploading a document. Your team, as a team, is going to upload the document. Just make sure that you just name the document like your last name, MM, and that'd be great. So these are our 4 articles for the week. The blogging article, I'm not going to be able to get my hands on in time, just with the holiday weekend, and it's just not coming back fast enough. So don't worry about the blogging one. So it's only these 4. The Learning Org, this is a big file. The Marketing Machine is a big file, and the Chief Marketing Technologist is a big file. What I didn't realize is this is only a 4 kilobyte files, and as you guys figured out, when you try to open this up, it's blank. What I learned was the author did not authorize the copyright for digital downloads. So I'm going to have to show you how to get it. So you ready? Academics, university libraries. And not only are you going to learn how to get this article, if you really had to get any article, this is how you do it. Then you go over here to the Databases tab, and then I go to Subject List. And then as soon as we go down a little bit, Business and Economics, and then I always pick the first one in Business Economics, this ABI Inform Complete by ProQuest. This is a fantastic database. By the way, all these databases are really good if you need to do some research with either your classes or for work. But for pulling articles, this one's fantastic. So we get into ABI Inform, and if you're off campus, you just have to put your password in. It's your same password you used for email. All right, so you're in the database. I always go to Advanced Search because when you get Advanced Search, you have multiple fields. And the first thing I always do is I type in the publication name. Harvard Business Review. And when you go over to here, always select publication title because there's a ton of Harvard publications, so all this other stuff would pop up. And then I type in the title of the article, some of it, and this is in the abstract or the title, and that's not the article. Let's go back. publication. Let's do I'm going to get a lot of hits here. I just did everywhere. I did 57. All right, so here it is. What the hell is market-oriented? Benson Shapiro, November, December 1988. Find a copy. Click full text OCLC link resolver. And you'll see the journal, Harvard Business Review. It is 1988, which is probably why, since it's so old, we can't get our hands on a digital copy of it. So here's all the articles from 1988. If you notice, they're all really small. I have a feeling they're all blank. Well, actually, this one's big. I bet you this professor said okay to the copyright. What the hell is market-oriented? When you click into the article, you will be able to see it and read it. This article is very, very, very important for this semester. And when I see your comments back, I'll talk about it more. But this is fundamental to the class. We have to read this article. So let me go back to Blackboard. Where's Blackboard? There we go. These are the 4 articles that I'm going to be looking for both takeaways and questions from. This one, which is the marketing orientation one, which is fundamental, learning org, and the 2 new ones. Okay? One last thing, when I send you this video, I'm going to include this link. This is from my blog. This will be helpful in helping describe a little bit more about market orientation. It's not that long. It's just a little blog post. Plus the difference between market-driven versus market-driving. And this came up in the market orientation literature in the 90s, well after this original Benson Shapiro article was published. But that's it for now. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Have a good one.